How to get Midjourney promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Midjourney promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Midjourney. So go ahead and open any of it. I'm gonna open this one, value.com. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Midjourney. Just scroll down and check out the offers: 75% off, 30% off, $30 off, and many more. Head over to any of the offer that you wanna grab. Just click on copy code. With that, you have just copied the code. Now you can head over to the website of Midjourney. Make your purchase and use this code while you check out. So this way you can easily get Midjourney promo code. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. Likewise, you can also check out other website, as other website will also provide you working promo code for Midjourney. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.